We are at the Racine Business Center. Got this vintage Kiechkefer elevator here. Ooh, it's got a bumper too. Down to one. Didn't know there was a passenger elevator here.
Replace motor for sure. I like the lighting.
Oh yeah, the tray lighting.
It's not even tray lighting, it's just side mount lighting.
Oh yeah.
Things in really good condition.
Yeah, it is.
Kiechkefer.
Especially for being a warehouse.
22-person capacity. Can fit 18 more. Somehow. Awesome old thing here. It's got the old bumper too. Oh, this is like the main lobby for the building, sort of. I've never noticed this. This is like, I guess, the visitor lobby. Cafeteria on the second floor. Use elevator.